Okay, I just started it. We can edit it out.
Yeah. I can't open it. Behold the iPhone 5. Yes! I haven't even gotten it open yet. I'm just gonna sit it on my bed next to my pillow and sleep with it now. Okay, I'm gonna open it.
Open, 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 open. Woo, woo.
This is patented, by the way. The packaging, all of this. Oh my goodness! Already I can notice a size difference. It's definitely taller.
Oh my gosh, it's so tall!
It's so sick! It's lighter too. I don't even feel like I'm holding anything in my hand.
Oh my.
Look, and it's black all the way around.
Aren't they normally?
No, normally different. Oh, you can't see my old phone because Lindsay's videotaping with my old phone. But it doesn't have the aluminum edging.
Oh
my gosh, it's so
Can
light,
I touch
you guys.
it?
Yes, touch it. Behold. Oh my gosh, it feels amazing. All of a sudden, my 4S is obsolete in my
Bring,
mind.
bring, bring, bring.
Okay.
What's ringing? It's your phone.
No, it's not ringing yet. Okay. Here it is. I don't know what I should do. Maybe turn it on. Oh, it's turning on. It's taking a little while to turn on. No fear.
It wants a dramatic thing opening.
Come on.
Come on now!
You're the iPhone 5. You can do it.
Oh no, it's slower.
Whoa! There it is.
Woo!
iPhone.
I want one.
Look, oh look, in all these different languages. New languages are supported with the iPhone 5. Uh-oh. Wow, look how long the screen is. Tall.
Whoa.
Willkommen. That's German. Willkommen. We'll do English, even though I know Spanish. United States.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, we're gonna go to other because I hide my network. But not hiding it from my new iPhone. No, siree. Woo! Oh, couldn't find my network. That's weird.
It is hidden even
Tyler's
from
Apple
you.
network. Okay, well, I don't get very good reception back here. Tyler's Apple. Okay, whatever. Okay, whatever. Can't find it.
Okay. Do you want me to keep recording?
Yeah, well, okay, we've seen this. It's beautiful. Look at the two-tone slate color on the back. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at the bevel here on the edge. It's almost cut to a precision that allows you to see it as a mirror almost. It's almost mirror-like.
That's what
But
I
look,
like.
this is different. The audio jack
Show us the
is
new
on the bottom.
headphones.
Yes, and also the, ooh, that's a tiny little port. That's the lightning port. Yeah.